How to turn on or off dark mode on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app on your device. After that, log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on General Settings. In General Settings, you will find Dark Mode option. To turn on dark mode, make sure there is red mark on it and the white dot is facing right. To turn it off, you can simply swipe it to the left and there's no color on it. And that's how to turn on or off dark mode on REDnote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.